Hi guys, hi from Trading Russia, and in this video I will try to show you how I define my levels and which levels are strong and how I use volume to define that level is working. Okay, let's start. This is EURUSD 1 hour chart, and we can see strong bullish zone here. Yes. Also, we can see sellers zone here. I'll mark just like this. And let's take a look at the same day, but for our chart and daily. This is for our chart, and we can see that price stopped at this point in this zone. Same price, same zone, but momentum is like more smooth for me. So we don't see this noise from 1 hour chart. And it will be also more obvious at daily chart. So let's take a look. Yes, we see that price stopped here. We don't know why before we checked daily. We didn't know why, yes, before we checked daily. So here we see now this strong historical level of support from buyers, yes. And now we understand why price stopped here. So let's make first rule, and it is take a look at situation at higher time frame. It will take a couple of minutes for you, but will save you money, okay? And take a look at price reaction. This is our zone, you remember? It doesn't matter that it were news, it was some kind of referendum, I think, in Europe. So it doesn't matter that it were news. Always news, big buyers, big sellers are inside price. So you can see everything just by price and also by volume, of course. So let's try one more time. Another day. It's also EURUSD, and it's again 1 hour chart. So do you see buyers here? Of course, you remember them. And also you can see sellers here and here. Why we can see them? Sellers, I mean. Buyers, we understand this is strong area, of course. But why sellers here? You see, it's like a wall for price. It's like a roof. Price don't move further, don't move up from this point. And also here were mark from volume at this candle. Please remember this candle. We will check it later. Okay. Let's go to 4 hour chart. And here you can see strong momentums. Yes, I see a couple of them. This one is very strong for me, and this one also. So here we can make second rule. As more often price is reacting at level, the stronger this level is. But remember that price react touching level no more than 3 or 4 times usually. So try to take second or third time. First is like the last for me. And at daily chart we can see it is our zone, remember? So all price reaction here from buyers were because of this strong momentum. So let's make third rule. The stronger momentum is on daily chart or 4 hour chart, the stronger level is, cause it costs a lot of money for big buyers to move price like this. These big momentums are very expensive for them. Remember this, okay? So let's go back to 1 hour chart. This is our sellers zone, you remember, yes? Okay, now I want you to think about, okay, buyers, one time, second time, third time. Are they still here, buyers? Do they have enough money to buy again? Let's make it like this. Okay, think about this. Now they spent all their money here, so before, and now they don't have enough money, so sellers can move price. Okay, should make it like this. My entry was at this pin bar. I'll show you and explain it later, but now you must understand that we could have from this buyer's zone, we could have, because of this area, so 2 or 3 times we could have good entries, good trades, okay? But we need to understand when market is exhausted, when buyers are exhausted, I mean, or sellers are exhausted, okay? Okay, and now I want you to try by yourself. So let's do this. Think about where are buyers and where are the sellers, okay? Think about it a couple of minutes. I will mark it. Okay, here are buyers, okay? Sellers here. So remember this. And now think about this entry. Will you trade this? And where price will go? Which zone to reach? Every time you trade, you need to think about where price can go, where is the aim. So here a strong area from sellers, and also it's area of big trades. So I think that price always tries to reach these zones because of a lot of trades which can be made there. Okay, if you made it right, congratulations, you've learned the lesson. So here's the entry, and is in this zone you can take a look of active sellers. If you don't see active sellers, so you can be still in this trade with buyers. So this zone is zone where we need to think about. But this is our entry. Okay, this is only price, but now let's summarize all rules and go to volume spread analysis. First rule is take a look at situation at higher time frame. It will take a couple of minutes, but will save you money. Second rule, as more often the price is reacting at level, as stronger this level is. So reaction, our entry. But remember that price is touching level no more than 3-4 times. So try to take second, third, or fourth is the last. And the third rule, the stronger momentum is on daily chart or 4-hour chart, the stronger level is, because it costs a lot of money for big buyers or sellers to move price from them. The big momentums are really expensive. Now let's go to the second part of lesson, volumes. And do you Oh no, too much. Do you remember this chart? This seller's zone, yes? And this candle especially. So let's go to volumes. I'm using 4 volumes. Sorry, I have 3 monitors and need to find here the screen. This one, yes. This one, I'm using a task platform for volume analysis. And this is our candle. Big candle, the biggest volume in a day, and no price moving. On contrary, price stopped here. What it is? Do you know volume spread analysis? It's stop volume candle. Stop volume is bigger volume on session and price reacting like it stops here. The movement stops here. Okay, sorry for my bad English. We need to take a look inside this candle. Like for me, I can understand that it is stop volume without even volume because I'm trading these 5 years and I see, okay, it's stop volume by price, only by price. Then I go to this volume, this is delta, we really don't need this right now, but delta shows us how much buyers or sellers are here. You can see that sellers are dominating still. Okay, so it's my confirmation volume and also my confirmation is footprint chart. Let's go inside candle, it's footprint chart. And you can see that price, this price zone is like empty. It's now not active, but we can see very active zone here and biggest volume here is red, so it means that it's from sellers. Okay, and now we must learn everything from this candle. Volume, this inside footprint chart, and no price movement. So because of all this, we can understand that it is for sure stop volume. We do not enter at stop volume. We wait till we have price signal, but we have this strong level like roof. Yes? Okay. Okay, so let's go further. I've entered at this pin bar. Pin bar is like my favorite price pattern. Really, I like it. When I see pin bar, I must check it for volume, for footprint. So let's go to volume first. It's very big here. It's like in a day. It's not, I think, the bigger, but one of the biggest. Okay, and we must take a look inside this candle footprint chart. So we can see the same active zone, very active zone here, some actions here, the bigger volume or the biggest, I don't know how it's right to pronounce. So here is red volume, maximum volume here, and we understand it's our confirmation that we can enter here in this pin bar. We can see sellers. Okay, so it's our entry and it was, you remember this price movement? Yes, it was our trade here, from here to here. Okay, let's go further. I have one more for you. Remember this pin bar? Let's check the same. Delta is very positive here. We can see buyers. Volume is like bigger I think the biggest in session in this day. Positive delta, volume, and we need to take a look inside this candle. You see, it's green, only green. Small red are here, big greens are here. Buyers, from buyers. And we understand that it's our confirmation and we can enter at this trade. It's our entry. It's our trade, our pin bar. The second pin bar we trade, it's very obvious and it is very easy, I think, if you practice a little bit. And I already have a lot of lessons about pin bars in Russian, but I want to translate or make them in English. So in next videos I want to show you more about VSA, and if you wanted to like this video, please and share with your friends, and I will make new lessons. See you soon.